Hello people, and today we're gonna be playing Squirrel Stapler. It is a very Sigma game where you have to kill squirrels and staple them to your wall. So let's get right into this. What, bro? Oh, what is that? Wait, we came here to get away from it all so that our love might. Wait, look, my beloved. The flies have made her ugly and rotten. Oh no! I wish you were beautiful like the squirrels of the wood. Yeah, me too. Squirrels are so Sigma. Day 1. Oh, that's cool. What's this? It shows how much feet you are away. Squirrels. Do not. Oh, yay. Free squirrel. Fine. I see one. I see one. Did I get him? I got. Wait, I see the particles. I think Let's go. I got him. Yay. I got another squirrel. Yeah. What is that? No, no. Yes. Let's go. I got another squirrel. Nice. Oh, I hear one. Oh, wait, I just saw one. I just saw one. No, I need it. Did I get it? So I got it. I'm gonna reload. Because I keep having to reload. What was that? Bro, this is like the farthest I've ever got. I don't know how many. What's that? What's that humming? Oh. I hear that. It's like the first time I'm actually beating that first day. Squirrel! Yes! Let's go! Oh my gosh. I got the final one! This is actually the first time I beat this, so I'm just gonna cut to when I go back home. Wait. No! Finally! Oh my gosh! Finally! I'm back at home. Alright. What's this? Thou shalt not staple squirrel through. Oh, yeah. What is it here? Press action, default weapon. To staple the squirrel to your. What is this game? Who? Oh, you literally just do this. That's it. What is this game, bro? Seriously, like, seriously, squirrels. To, like, I think it's like a dead corpse. Oh my gosh, who in the right mind actually made this? I'm not sure why it says that, because, like, didn't it say in 5 days God was coming yesterday? So, bro, 2 free squirrels already. No, 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 dang it. Oh god, no, he spawned me. Did I kill it? Yes! Let's go. Okay. Now I just need the extra large squirrel. Dude, what was that? No way. Is that? Yes! Yes! Let's go! Let's go home. Finally back. Alright. Where's the extra large squirrel? Alright, whatever. It's fine. I am sleeping. Good morning. Good morning to all the squirrels. I'm gonna end the video here because I don't want to go in another rage of trying to kill all the squirrels and then right after trying to find my way home. It is exhausting trying to find my way home. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're a Sigma. If you don't, then you're not a Sigma. Problem, I guess, what am I saying? I'll put a link in the description. Well, on Steam if you want to get this game. I don't think this game is available anywhere else. Alright, goodbye.